Hey everybody, today we're in a Kia Seltos. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip mount number 856001. Before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First off, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see the blue covering here and in the second piece here. You will want to peel those covers off before you install the mount to the dash. And that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. Second, always install the mount onto the vehicle before you screw anything to the faceplate. So with that, let's get started. This is a two-part mount. So the bigger piece that is kind of L-shaped, that's the one we're going to start with. Again, you'll want to peel the covers off the tape, and then you're going to wrap it around this little handle here that's basically right under the tuning knob for the radio. And if the tape is unpeeled, you should be able to press it there and let it go, but I'm not using the tape today, so I'm going to hold it in place. Then you're going to take the faceplate, and you want to make sure you line up the holes right here with the holes in the faceplate and use the included self-tapping screws to screw the two parts together. You just need to make sure that you tighten the screws so that they're below the line of the face so that they're not in the way when you mount your holder. But now you have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.